What's up, everyone? Today we are going to be fixing an Apple Watch Series 3 right now. We're going to show you a time lapse and stuff. My dad's going to be working on it, so we'll show you. There's the Apple Watch right there. And we have this whole thing. Here is the battery. A quick update on what happened. He's pulling the battery out right now, right, Dad?
The battery's glued in.
And did you kind of get it off?
That's what you hear.
Okay, we'll show you.
See this stuff coming out here?
Yeah, and that's...
I think we got to transfer that over onto the new battery too.
There's the old
Remove
one.
the transparent film.
The new battery right now. And here's the old one. Can I see the old one?
Film on the...
Oh, it's sticky. And there's like a little paper and stuff. It was in Chinese, but...
Oh, look, it has a new, that's a,
Oh, like a sticky?
yeah. So I think that's, so we're going to take that
I probably have to
off.
film this. This is kind of crazy.
So take this off. Please check whether there is any debris or screws falling into the battery area. If there is, please clean it up before. All right, let's try to. No,
This
there's
video is
not.
going to be pretty good.
No, there's not. So
The video is
install
over.
the small.
He's watching a video.
Reading directions, yeah,
Yeah.
and talking at the same time.
He's taking the sticky stuff off right now.
So that's
Oh,
new
satisfying.
glue. And that goes.
Putting the battery in. And there's little microscopic screws. Like, look, that's my finger compared.
Dude, it's so small. Remove the old adhesive covered in a watch frame, then install the small cover screw before reseal. Okay, well, we first got to get this back in there.
Stop it. Get some help.
Guys, actually putting the new battery, right?
I wanna.
Or is that the new battery?
No,
Oh, that's a new one?
I want to see. So we gotta. You power it up.
Yeah. Is this the old one right here?
Yeah, you can take
So
that.
it's pretty, okay. What is it for? Just anything. This is a rotten battery right here. If anyone wants a rotten battery, put it down in the comments. I'll just give it to you for free. He's putting it in.
Oh, that was good. That was good. I think it. The only problem is I think I disconnected this one.
How do you feel with a camera right in your face, Dad?
Anything about trash?
No.
Or it's pretty much done.
I think what you do now is turn it on.
Wait, can you put the screw back in?
Hold on.
What about the screw?
No, you gotta.
Is it working? Let's see. Let's see. This might be it.
Okay, the screw's gotta go on.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Is there anything wrong, or just the screw has to get on? In the screw right now, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the old battery. So, is it working? It's not.
Oh, the.
Screw. We'll go back when it's turning on. So we'll see you guys. Hey on, guys. Hold on. Oh my God. It's actually on. It's not fully together. Like, see how it can come off. The screen's not fully on. If this actually works, we'll keep you guys updated. Starts up and it turns off. That's all we got. but it probably needs a good 13 to 8 hours to charge up. So we'll see you guys later. And we will be posting a video tomorrow if it does actually turn on. If it doesn't, we're not posting anything. But see you guys.